How to create multiple streams of income the right way. What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to create multiple streams of income the right way. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get into this. How to create multiple streams of income the right way. Okay, I know you've heard it all before, right? I know you heard it all before. That you need to have multiple streams of income to become financially free. Well, it's true, okay, that you do need multiple streams of income to become financially free, but the problem is most people go at it the wrong way, okay? Most people that try to create multiple streams of income fail miserably. And not because they're not trying, and not because they're not, motivated, and not because they're not putting their all into it, okay? They're putting everything they got into building their multiple streams of income. But the thing is, they can't really focus on multiple things at once. It's like trying to scramble an egg and flip a pancake at the same time. 9 times out of 10, something's gonna mess up, okay? You're scrambling eggs, you're flipping pancakes, you got this, you got that. 9 times out of 10, you're gonna burn something, okay? So this basically means you start one thing, and before you get that business or thing up and running and bringing in substantial income, you move to the next. And before you know it, you do that for multiple things and you get nowhere. You end up burning the eggs. You know what I'm saying? You end up in the same place that you started, broke or eggless. Kind of want some eggs. Anyhow, so the question is, what do you do, right? What do you do? Well, this is not as complicated as it might seem, or most people make it out to be, okay? In actuality, all you need to do is focus on one stream of income besides your job, okay? Besides your regular 9 to 5 or whatever your career is. You focus on one stream of income outside of your job, okay? You bring that income to a substantial amount, and then you move on to the next income stream, okay? I personally would focus on getting my first stream of income between $1,000 to $2,000 a month, and then move to the next income stream. Okay, but the majority of people aren't really that good at multitasking, so there is no reason to put that kind of pressure on yourself, okay? But when you have a job, you should use a portion of your job's income and create a passive income side business, okay? That's it. The side business can be anything from e-commerce sites to a YouTube channel. You can, maybe you just want to take your money and strictly invest in a whole bunch of different, IPO businesses that are going to blow up in the next couple of years. And maybe you want to take your money and just invest in stocks. Maybe you want to just learn Forex. But whatever it is, you just focus on building that one income stream till you get so good at it, you're bringing in between $1,000 to $2,000 every month, like autopilot, like you breathe air, okay? And once that starts to gain ground and build a solid income, then you can stretch out and build other streams of income. Okay, and that's how you create multiple streams of income. Okay, because basically you just repeat the process all over again, and then you will be successful at anything when you try to be, you will not be successful at anything when you try to be a jack of all trades. Okay, let me say that one more time for you. You will not be successful at anything when you try to be a jack of all trades, okay? You want to focus, build one stream of income to the point of $1,000 to $2,000 passive income, and then you expand, okay? You expand your business, okay? Pepsi let's take Pepsi. Pepsi didn't come out and say, hey, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that. I'm going to be in this, I'm going to build this drink. I'm going to build that drink. No, they focus on building the Pepsi brand, Pepsi Cola brand. And then once it got to a substantial amount where they can comfortably expand, they expanded and created multiple streams of income. Same for Coca-Cola. Same for companies like Zillow. Same for companies Apple. Same for Google. A lot of different companies expand after they build a substantial flow of income in that one target market. Okay, so that's what you got to do. You figure out your niche. You figure out what you want to do. You go after it. You pound the pavement, drill the hole, make it happen, create that income stream. Once it builds itself, then you expand. Okay, that's it. And if you want to learn how I create a successful online marketing business with just $7 to start, click the link below. Okay, that's my main business, online marketing. I have an online marketing business. Okay, and I focused on building that business. Okay, and then I expanded into different investments, different things, real estate, different IPOs, different outside ventures, all these different things, but I focused and built my online marketing business. Okay, so that's how you do it. You focus and then you expand. Basically, that's the basics of building multiple streams of income. All right, so thanks for watching. It's your boy DeVaughn signing off for how to create multiple streams of income. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.